AR makes Pokémon Go more immersive, letting you catch Pokémon in the real world. If AR isn't working, it breaks gameplay. Here are 10 tested ways to fix Pokémon Go AR and get it running smoothly again. Part 1. Why is Pokémon Go AR mode not working? Causes for AR not working: missing or faulty gyroscope, no camera permission, incompatible device, poor light, outdated app or system bugs, low performance, corrupted cache or misconfigured AR settings. Part 2. How to fix Pokémon Go AR not working. Fix 1. Check phone compatibility. Fix 2. Use proper lighting and environment. Fix 3. Check permission for camera. Fix 4. Log out before logging back in. Fix 5. Check gyroscope sensor. Fix 6. Update Pokémon Go. Fix 7. Update OS. Fix 8. Ask for online help. Fix 9. Clear Pokémon Go data Android only. Fix 10. Verify gyro sensor Android only. Part 3. FAQs about Pokémon Go AR not working. Q1 or Core or Arcit plus gyroscope needed. Q2. Black screen camera or permissions or light or sensor. Q3 are off unsupported gyroscope. Q4. Toggle missing device or R services. Q5. Internet may delay AR. Q6. Crash low performance or software or camera. Part 4. A better way to play Pokémon Go AR without moving Fluent. How to ensure Pokémon Go AR works smoothly with Virtual Location tool. Begin by downloading and installing a trustworthy virtual location application on your Windows or Mac OS computer. After you launch the application, click on Get Started on the main screen. Connect your phone via USB. Select Teleport mode. Enter a location or GPS coordinates. Click Move to update your GPS.